Dear students, AIB 13's question answers are for you. Question 1. Restrictions may not be imposed on freedom provided under Article 19 Clause 1 Clause A on this ground. Sedition के ground पे नहीं हो सकता. Question number 2. Right guaranteed to citizen only is Article 19 Clause 1 Clause A. Question number 3. President can be removed on the ground of violation of constitution के ground पे ही remove किया जा सकता है. Question number 4. The designation senior advocate is provided under section 16 Advocate Act में है. Right to pre-audience is provided by section 23 of Advocate Act 1961. Question number 6. The contempt of court belongs to, इनमें से कोई किसी एंट्री में नहीं है. Who was the Chief Justice of India when the concept of PIL was introduced to Indian Constitution, Indian judicial system? Question 7. PN भगवती जी के समय में PIL का कंसेप्ट आया था. Question number 8. The Supreme Court of India issued a number of direction for the prevention of women in various forms of prostitution and to rehabilitate their children through various welfare measures on so as to provide them with dignity of person, means of livelihood and socio-economic development. In the case of गौरव जैन वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया के केस में ये आया था. Hadith is one of the source of Muslim law. It comprises words and actions of the Prophet. Question number 10. Intellectual Property Appellate Board is established under which act? The Trademark Act में 1999 का जो है उसमें सेक्शन 83 में ये डिफाइन है. आप कॉपीराइट्स के उसमें मत समझ लेना. What is the maximum duration within which fast track arbitration must be completed? Fast track arbitration 6 month में complete हो जाता है. Which of the following section deals with form of summons? Section 61. Question 13. Under CRPC provisions related to prosecution of judge is provided under section 197. Question 14. A resides at Hyderabad, B at Calcutta and C at Delhi. A, B and C being together at Allahabad, B and C makes a joint promissory note payable on demand and delivered to A. A may sue B and C. A कहीं भी सू कर सकता है, कलकत्ता में, दिल्ली में या इलाहाबाद में. Question 15. Section 25 empowers the Supreme Court to transfer any suit, appeal or other proceedings. ये दोनों में आएगा. From one high court to another high court, from one civil court in one state to another civil court in any other state. In which of the following cases can C set off and claim? A sues C on a bill of exchange for rupees 500. C holds a decree against A for recovery of debt of rupees 1000. Question 7. The Latin word res ispa liquitor means things speaks itself, a story itself. Question 18. In which of the following cases the principle of common employment was involved for the first time? Priestley versus Fould के केस में. Question 19. Disciplinary Committee of Bar Council is conferred the powers of civil court under Code of Civil Procedure 1908 by Section 42 of Advocate Act. Which one of the following is a leading case on injurious and damnum? Ashby versus White स्कूल वाला केस है ये. Which one is 21. Which one is leading case on strict liability? Reliance versus फ्लेचर का है, टॉर्ट में जो आता है. Question 22. Section 66A was invalidated by the Supreme Court of India in Shreya Ghoshal versus Union of India के केस में. Question 23. Environmental impact assessment is mandatory under Environment Protection Act. Question 24. When two or more persons by fighting in a public place disturb the public peace, they are said to commit an affray. रिवॉर्ड्स में मिनिमम 5 पीपल्स का होना कंपलसरी है. इसमें 2 and 2 मोर देन 2 भी चलते हैं. क्वेश्चन 25. प्रमोशन ऑफ क्लास हेट्रेड इज गिवन अंडर सेक्शन 153A ऑफ द IPC. क्वेश्चन 26. द distinction between section 299 and 300 was made clear by Melville J. in Reg versus Govinda. Question 27. Which of the following is not a federal feature of any constitution? Single citizenship. Question 8. Parliament is in exercise of its power to amend under Article 368 may not amend. Basic statement. 29. Which article starts with subject to public order, morality and health? Article 25. Question 30. Section 19 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 provides for the maintenance of widowed daughter-in-law. Question 31. Section 30 of the Hindu Succession Act 1956 deals with testamentary successions. Question 32. Which one of the following sections of CRPC deals with examination of person accused of rape by medical practitioner? Section 53A. Question 33. According to section 167 of the CRPC, an accused person can be remanded to police custody for not more than 15 days at one time. Question 34. Which of the following is essential for the valid adoption under the Hindu Marriage Act? Actual giving and taking of child is valid adoption. Question 35. Hindu male can adopt a female child if the difference of age between the two is of more than 21 years. Question 36. Which of the following relations is not dependent under section 21 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act? Grandmother. Question 37. A communication made to the spouse during marriage under section 122 of the Indian Evidence Act remains privileged even after dissolution of marriage. Question 38. Which section of the Indian Evidence Act provides that an accomplice is a competent witness? Section 133. Question 39. Which is the subject matter of neighboring rights pretension? Performance. Question 40. Adam Smith has enumerated canons of taxation which are accepted universally. They are equality, certainty, convenience, and economy. Question 41. For the first time, Indian income tax law was introduced by Sir James William in the year of 1860. Question 42. Which one of the following sentence of Criminal Procedure Code deals with compoundable offence? Section 320. Question 43. What is the time limit under section 468 of CRPC for taking cognizance? 3 years. Industrial established means ये चारों ही हैं. एक फैक्ट्री, एक माइन, प्लांटेशन एंड इंडस्ट्री, ये सब इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेब्लिशमेंट है. Strike should be called only if at least % of workers are in support of a strike. Strike should be called only if at least percent of if 15% of workers are in support of strike. Uh, 46. Industrial relations cover the following area: collective bargaining, labor legislation, industrial relations training, trade union. ऑल ऑफ द above ये सब आएंगे इसमें. इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशंस कवर द फॉलोइंग एरियाज में. द टर्म सूट ऑफ द सिविल नेचर रेफर्स टू प्राइवेट राइट्स एंड ऑब्लिगेशंस ऑफ अ सिटीजन. Question 48. The rule of res sub judice implies where the same subject matter is pending in the court of law for adjudication between the same parties. The other court is bound to entertain the case so long as the first suit goes on. मतलब पहला सूट अगर चल रहा है तो रेस जुडिकाटा नहीं, रेस सब जुडाइज इम्प्लाइज होगा. Question 49. A suit brought by the person to recover possession from a stranger to met property claiming it and hear of the disease mehenth. The suit is dismissed on his failure to produce the succession certificate. A second suit was filed by him as manager of the meth. The second suit will not be barred by res judicata. Which among the following is not an ADR method under section 89 of CPC? Mini trial is not a ADR method. What is the maximum number of conciliators allowed in the conciliation proceedings? None of the above. What is the status of settlement agreement in conciliation proceedings? Same as settlement award. Under section 118 of the Indian Evidence Act, a person is a competent witness if he or she is capable of understanding questions put to him and giving rational answers irrespective of age. Question 54. Which of the following judgment is relevant under section 43 of Indian Evidence Act? Judgment of criminal court. Question 55. Under which section of the Indian Evidence Act a witness has been given right to refresh his memory? Section 159. Mandamus may be issued by सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट में तो रिट जा सकती है. 57. Question 57. The provision for administration tribunals added by 42nd Amendment. Question 58. The provision related to free legal aid is given under CRPC section 304. Question 59. Under which one of the following provisions of CRPC police officer is under an obligation to produce the person arrested before a magistrate within 24 hours of the arrest? Section 57. Question 60. Who may record confessional statement under section 164 of the CRPC? Judicial officer. 61. Question. The provision relating plea bargaining is not applicable in following offences: सोशो इकोनॉमिक ऑफेंस में एंड ऑफेंस अगेंस्ट वुमेन्स में. क्वेश्चन 62. व्हेन टू और मोर पर्सन्स एग्री टू डू एन इलीगल एक्ट और एन एक्ट विच इज नॉट इलीगल बाय इलीगल मीन्स सच एज एग्रीमेंट इज डेजिग्नेटेड एज क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी. The provisions regarding sedition are given under section 124A of IPC. Question 64. A suit may be dismissed under order 9. None of the above. इन किसी में सूट अंडर ऑर्डर 9 किसी में सूट डायरेक्ट डिसमिस नहीं होता. Question 65. The ex officio chairman of the Council of State is Vice President. Right to property in India is constitutional right. Which of the following writs means to produce the body of a person is habeas corpus? Question 68. Delegated legislation was declared constitutional in Re-Delhi Laws Act case. Question 69. A prospectus which does not include complete particulars of the quantum or price of the securities included therein is known as red herring prospectus. Question 70. When there is no profit in 1 year or the profit of a company is not enough to pay the fixed dividend on preference share, the arrears of dividend are to be carried forward and paid before a dividend is paid on the ordinary shares. This is called cumulative preference shares. Industrial dispute means any dispute or difference between employers and employees, employers and workmen, workmen and workmen, master and worker नहीं. Question 72. Who among the following cannot transfer an immovable property? Natural guardian of a minor. Question 73. The doctrine of less pendants was explained in the leading case of Bellamy versus Sabina. Question 74. X strikes A. A is by this provocation excited to violent rage. Y. A bystander intending to take advantage of A's rage and to cause him kill X, given a revolver into A's hand. For the purpose, A kills X with the revolvers. A is liable for committing murder and Y is liable for abetting murder. Question 75. Right to fair legal aid was recognized as a fundamental right under Article 21 on Indian Constitution in the case of M.H. Hoskote versus State of Maharashtra. Fundamental right. 76. In which country was the concept of PIL originated? United States of America से ये concept आया था. Question 77. A question suggesting the answers which the person putting in wishes to expect the receive is called leading questions कहते हैं उनको. 678. Option of puberty is a ground of divorce under Hindu Marriage Act 1955 for only wife. 79. Which section of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provides that a child from a void marriage would be legitimate? Section 16. Question 80. Which of the following appears to contribute to global cooling rather than global warming? Aerosols. Question 81. A and B agrees to fence with each other for amusement. This agreement implies the consent of each to suffer any harm which is in the course of fencing may be caused without foul play, and if A, while playing fairly, hurts B, A commits no offence. A provision are given under Section 87. Question 82. The provision of the right to private defence are given under Section 96 to 106 of the IPC. Question 83. The parties which cannot be compelled to perform specific performances of contract are provided in which section of Specific Relief Act? 28. What kind of property is transferable? Any kind of property is not prohibited by law. Question 85. Which of the following does not come under the immovable property as per the TP Act, Transfer of Property Act? Sales of a ceiling fan. Question 86. State of UP, Nawab Hussain 1970 SCR clause 3428 relates to constructive res judicata. Sorry. Question 87. X is living in the Pune and Y, his brother, in Mumbai. X want to file a suit for partition of their joint property situated in Delhi and Bangalore. The suit may be instituted either in Delhi or Bangalore. Question 88. An immovable property held by Y is situated at Bhopal and the wrongdoer personally works for gain at Indore. A suit to obtain compensation for wrong to the property may be instituted either at Bhopal or at Indore. Question 89. Under which section of Income Tax Act 1961 income of other persons included in SSC's total income 60 to 65? 90. Question. A person of a period of 12 months commencing on the first day of April of every year is known as assessment year. Question 91. Which section of the Information Technology Amendment Act 2008 deals with the validity of contracts formed through electronic means? Section 10A. Question 92. Joint sitting of both houses of parliament may be called by president. Question 93. Specific relief cannot be given where the agreement is made with minor. Question 94. A person entitled to the possession of a specific movable property may recover in the manner provided by the Code of Procedure 1908. Question 95. Section 39 of Specific Relief Act deals with इनमें से कोई नहीं Specific Relief Act. Question 96. A dumb witness given his evidence in writing in the open court. Such evidence would be treated as oral evidence. Question 97. Under the Indian Evidence Act, which of the following is not a court? Arbitration court नहीं माना जाता. Question 98. Which of the following section of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 defines the term owner? Section 2, clause 30. Question 99. Under Land Acquisition Act 1894, an industrial concern ordinarily employing not less than 100 workmen owned by the individual or by an association of individuals and not being a company desiring the acquires. Question 100. Under Land Acquisition Act 1894, the expression company means a company as defined in Section 3 of the Companies Act 1956, other than a government company referred to in the clause. Thank you.